Yo, it's 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. This is going to be an insanely quick video because what's there even to talk about here? But this is the Morimoto XBLED headlights for Scott's 2011 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD. So it's a big boy truck and now it's got some semi-decent headlights. I say semi-decent because of course I am a custom builder, so I always want to do custom builds. But we've got these headlights and the Morimoto XBLED fog lights for this truck, essentially both plug and play, super dirt nasty, easy cheesy installs, and very, very respectable performance. So this entire package is under $1,300, and there is absolutely no way that you can beat that bang for the buck. So with that price point in mind, and with the performance in regard, I gotta say these things are pretty rad, and I like them. This is your headlight output. These are ByLED projectors, very, very respectable headlight output. We've got great DRL performance now too, so we've got a running light, which you don't have before, as well as a new sequential turn signal. So this is pretty rad, and if you're not into this sequential look, that's okay. You can just simply change the configuration and it can be a standard blinking turn signal of that entire C-lamp. And that's really all there is to say about this install because it's not a build. Now, if for some reason you weren't super into the blacked out look and you wanted something more OEM styling, then I could do a custom build, keep it a nice chrome housing and a simple retrofit, and you could get the same, if not significantly better lighting output performance, but meeting that $1,300 price point is going to be a bit of a task. But there you go, we're done for the day. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Pricing and product information and contact information will be in the video description. So if you're interested in for a build for yourself or just an installation, I am here in Tarpon Springs, Florida, ready to assist you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.